Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mercury versus Honda outboards. Choosing the right outboard engine is crucial for your boating experience, and understanding the differences between these two leading brands can make all the difference. We'll dive into their performance, reliability, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's explore which engine might be the perfect fit for your vessel. When it comes to raw power, Mercury often takes the lead with a wider selection of high-horsepower options, some reaching up to 600 horsepower. Their Verado engines, for instance, are renowned for supercharged performance and impressive acceleration. Honda, on the other hand, prioritizes smooth, consistent power delivery, with their largest engines typically around 250 horsepower, focusing on reliability and fuel efficiency over sheer top-end speed. Both offer excellent performance, but cater to different power demands. Fuel efficiency is a major consideration, and Honda outboards are often praised for their outstanding economy, helping you save on operating costs. Mercury has also made great strides, with their 4-stroke and Pro XS models offering competitive fuel consumption. In terms of reliability, Honda has a strong reputation for long-term durability and minimal issues, often supported by a comprehensive warranty. Mercury engines are also built tough, featuring advanced diagnostic systems that simplify maintenance and troubleshooting, ensuring dependable performance for years. Considering the total cost of ownership is essential. While initial purchase prices can vary widely, Honda engines often boast lower long-term maintenance costs due to their straightforward, durable design. Mercury, however, benefits from a vast dealer network and readily available parts, which can make servicing quicker and more convenient. When making your decision, factor in not just the upfront price, but also fuel consumption, routine maintenance, and the potential resale value of your chosen outboard. Both brands offer excellent value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.